Welcome friends, welcome to the course of Industrial Engineering. Myself Dhiren Kumar, Assistant Professor, Buddha Institute of Technology. Today we are going to start a very interesting topic, that is Industrial Engineering. By the knowing of this subject, the student exposure to the industry will be clear so that they can easily work and survive in our industries. So our university recently introduced the industrial engineering subject in our syllabus, and mainly from second year onward the student will be able to understand the industry's knowledge. Here the industrial engineering subject is not sold previously, about 2 to 3 or 4 years ago. This subject is in our curriculum, but now the syllabus and this industrial engineering subject is recently introduced so that the exposure of student toward industries will be broad. It is a very interesting subject, and if you are going through this subject, you will get what is happening in our industry, what is the role of a engineer in the industry, what you have to do in the industry, and all that, the different theories of different researcher about how to work in engineering. So our university is introduced this interesting subject. Let's see what is industrial engineering. Afterward, we will go the syllabus and the book required for industrial engineering subject. Today is only introductory class so that the student will able to get what they are going to study, and from today onward we will go step by step in industrial engineering subject so that exposure to our industry will be broad. According to American Institute of Industrial Engineering, industrial engineering is concerned with design, improvement and installation of integrated system of men, material, energy and equipment. Four term: men, material, equipment and energy. Men, material, energy and equipment. Equipment. I am repeating for you again the definition for industrial engineering. According to American Institute of Industrial Engineer, he defined industrial engineering as the concern with the design comma improvement, यानी design improvement एक साथ नहीं है, design, improvement and installation of integration system of men, material, energy, equipment, यानी बेस्ट सुटेबल वेज जिसके सहायता से हम लोग इंडस्ट्री में मेन को, मटेरियल को, एनर्जी को और इक्विपमेंट को इंस्टॉल कर सकें. Though we are going to become a engineer after our 4-year course of BTech, we will be going to survive in Indian and industry. So the main reason for learning this industrial engineering subject, so that you can install in the best way using industrial engineering techniques. We are going to discuss the different techniques so that you can install a best possible way to put main material, energy and equipment in your industry. That will be your work. We will see different techniques. Say for example, JIT, just in time. We will discuss later. X chart, inventory control, and so on. These are the only examples, but we will see more techniques for only installation of main material, energy and equipment. You will not going to see anything beyond this. यानी इसके बाहर हम लोग कुछ और नहीं पढ़ने वाले. इसी के बीच में घूमते रहेंगे मेन मटेरियल, एनर्जी एंड इक्विपमेंट. आई एम कॉल्ड इट एज MMEE. This is my theory, MMEE. Further, if I tell MMEE, MME means you can recall only main material, energy and equipment. Now, industrial engineering can be defined in the another way. The definition that we have studied today is given by American Institute of Industrial Engineering, but in the another way you can define industrial engineering is as a profession. Point my mark, point my word. Engineering, industrial engineering is a profession in which knowledge of mathematical and natural science gained by study, experience and practice is applied with judgment to develop the way of utilize economically the material and other natural resources. Means we have to utilize economically in the best way with the help of our industrial engineering techniques, so that our firm, that is in industry, will go on improving. If you are going to allot these four things, man, material, energy and equipment, you should utilize in the best possible manner, so that your firm, your industry will go on hike. These are only the introduction to industrial engineering. Now, what you are going to learn from this industrial engineering? What you are going to learn? If you are going through industrial engineering subject, then you will be able to impart theoretical knowledge about various tools and techniques of industrial engineering. Got it? If you are going through industrial engineering subject, then you will be able to impart theoretical knowledge about various tools and techniques of industrial engineering. This is our first point, knowledge. knowledge about industrial engineering. This is only basic knowledge. What the other, you will able to create awareness about various safety procedure to be followed in carrying out different type of project. What are the safety procedure? If you work in an renovate industry, you will see that they give you helmet for your safety, they give you jacket, gloves, so that you will be safe during performing your work. Got it? What will be the third point? तीसरा पॉइंट क्या हो सकता है, आपको भी पता होगा, फिर भी you will able to impart or to get acquainted. Acquainted means you have knowledge, you will have knowledge. Acquainted means knowledge. To get acquainted with inventory management principle and techniques. Inventory management acquainted inventory management and techniques. Inventory management is very important. We will see later what is inventory, what is use of inventory. INVENTORY. Inventory means you will have a proper knowledge of inventory management and different techniques, so that how you will going to manage your inventories. Got it? Fourth point, to equip with the theoretical knowledge and quality control practice of testing method. Quality control practice of testing method. Quality control practice and testing method. If you focus on these 4 points, you will able to find that these 4 points are the 4 department of our engineering or industry. Knowledge about industrial engineering will give you the best manage to give you MMEE, man, material, energy and equipment. Third, safety engineer. This is the foremost department for any industry, important department for any industry. There must be a safety engineer, so that your whole and soul industry work will be carried on. Acquainted knowledge of inventory management. Inventory inspector और इंजीनियर. थर्ड, यानी हम लोग 4 अलग अलग ब्रांच से 4 अलग अलग जो डिपार्टमेंट होते हैं हमारे इंडस्ट्री के, उसके बारे में पढ़ सकते हैं. यानी अगर आप सिर्फ सेफ्टी प्रोसेस के बारे में अच्छे जानते हैं तो आपको सेफ्टी इंजीनियर की पोस्ट मिल सकती है. अगर आपको नॉलेज है इन्वेंट्री का तो आप मैन, मटेरियल, एनर्जी एंड इक्विपमेंट को बेस्ट पॉसिबल वे में अरेंज कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको इन्वेंट्री मैनेजमेंट का अच्छा ज्ञान है तो आप इन्वेंट्री इंस्पेक्टर या इन्वेंट्री इंजीनियर बन सकते हैं। एंड लास्ट में टेस्टिंग मेथड, क्वालिटी प्रैक्टिस एंड टेस्टिंग मेथड से आपको क्वालिटी इंजीनियर, क्वालिटी इंजीनियर की पोस्ट मिल सकती है। मीन्स वी आर गोइंग टू गेट a broad exposure toward industrial engineering, यानी यही चार पढ़ के हम लोग अपने इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सपीरियंस को अच्छे से गेन कर सकते हैं सेकेंड ईयर से ही। ठीक है, नाउ कम टू द डिफरेंट बुक्स। कौन कौन सी बुक्स लेनी है आपको? देयर आर more than 10 books of industrial engineer, but according to our university syllabus we are going to use 2 books only. First book B Kumar, sorry, Dr. S Sitaraman, डॉक्टर एस सीतारमन की बुक उमेश पब्लिकेशन। सेकंड बी कुमार, खन्ना पब्लिकेशन। एंड थर्ड महाजन, महाजन इज द टाइटल, धनपत राय publication. You can buy any one of these books. Each books contain our university syllabus. If you are going to buy book, what will be in our syllabus, mark it, and then you will easily find your books. The syllabus will be introduction of industrial engineering, means you should go to the index of your book and find out whether there is introduction of industrial engineering topics there or not. Plant layout and material handling, second topics, most important. Method engineering, industrial relations, production planning and control, and last quality control and inspection. These are the topics that you should search in your book and buy it. But I am already tell you that these books, Mahajan from Dhanpat Rai Publication, B Kumar from Khanna Publication, and S Sitaraman from Umesh Publication. That's all for now. From tomorrow onward, we will go deeply inside the industrial engineering with definition and some techniques. Thank you.